one of the major reasons that we got into the business in the first place is that, for instance, as of last year, 2017, there would be over 8 billion visitations to hospitals and clinics alike throughout China. That would mean, on average, every Chinese citizen would visit these establishments 6 times per year. So at the time, we figured out, wow, that would be at least 8 billion payment transactions there. So if we could just get into the business, that would be very, very interesting. Now, as we go into the business, we realize that the pain points of the healthcare industry here in China, and especially in Guangzhou, where, in fact, for historical reasons, a lot of good doctors, medical resources are, here in Guangzhou. Say, for instance, now we are working with 25 major hospitals in Guangdong and Guangxi as we speak. And some of those hospitals on a daily basis would have would have to take care of more than 20,000 patients. So just imagine if you want to make an appointment with this hospital, it used to be that one would need to just go there and wait for 2 hours, 3 hours just to make an appointment. Not to mention that it is also not a good thing, but it happened that some people would queue up for the appointment and then resell it for a price. We call it the scalper. And so all this, we realized that maybe through an innovative idea, we could provide an innovative hardware software solution, incorporating with payment solution, and would help out the hospital and the patients.
From yesterday's, one of yesterday's chats, and I remember you were talking about this morning as well. Edith Young was talking about how this payment system market in China, it's basically a done story. We've got WePay and Alipay, but she did mention that exceptional case of healthcare. Do you agree with that? And I think you do, but why do you think that is?
Oh, absolutely. Let's be absolutely clear about this. In China and actually in around this part of the world, we are facing with 2 major giants in terms of payment processing and in terms of mobile payment processing. And we are talking about, of course, Alipay and as well as WeChat Pay. So, but there, our company is not going against them in a generic sense, but rather because our expertise, our long working relationship in the medical industry, because one of our group's co-founder is a medical doctor, and he would know a lot about the challenges that the medical industry in China is facing. So in designing this very specific solution, we think that we will be able to provide a better solution for our users.